Welcome back, everybody. So you've just answered this question over on your Get Ready activity. I'm going to go through very quickly how you would work on this one. In fact, let me pop back to my previous slide here. So what I'm going to do here is say I've got a source of sound, which I'm just going to draw some little lines for. There's my source of sound. Here's my friend, which I'll just draw as a box, and here's me. And I'm standing twice as far away from the sound, which means I can think about, actually, I can draw circles in Zoom. I've got sort of this circle, and then I've got sort of this circle, and I recognize that they weren't perfect. But those are the two, and they're actually spheres because sound waves are three-dimensional. And the amount of power, the amount of energy that the sound wave produces as a function of time is relatively constant. It's not really going to change if whoever's creating the sound is doing the same thing. But I'm twice as far away. So if I want to find the intensity and I look down here, this says that the power staying the same, but my distance away from that sound being larger means that the intensity is going to be smaller. And in particular, I was twice as far away from the sound as my friend. So because I'm dividing by r squared, I'm going to be 4 times quieter, or 4 times less intensity is more precise. And the reason that I said it more precisely like that is there is an alternate measure of how loud something is, which is actually called loudness. And it is measured logarithmically in something called decibels, which you may have heard of before. Loudness is actually measured with respect to a reference intensity that's very small. 10 to the minus 12 watts per meter squared is the reference intensity that we measure decibels with respect to. And it's much farther below what most humans can actually hear. The way that this is defined logarithmically is you take the log base 10 of the actual intensity of the wave divided by the reference intensity. That'll kick out a number. To get the number of decibels you have, you just multiply that logarithm by 10, and you've got the loudness of the thing. So I'm going to go ahead and give you another little practice problem to work on over on the Get Ready activity.